Okay, so separable differential equation. Now we'll see how to solve a separable differential equation. Okay, a differential equation of the form some f of y prime is equal to g of x. F of y into y prime is equal to g of x is called variable separable separable form. All these differential equation called separable equation. Okay, so now how to solve this differential equation? Just f of y. So this is what dy by dx is equal to g of x. Okay, then you can shift this dx to that side and just integrating this f of x dy, integration of g of x dx. Then this will what? Integration f of x. This will what? G of x. You can add c here or you can add c here. Okay, so this is your choice. So very simple, very simple. Only here what the crucial part is your previous year integration. Okay, so you have to apply the integration here. Okay, integration of your 12th standard. Okay, so you should remember all the formulas for the integration. Now we'll solve the problems on it. Okay, solve y prime is equal to x 1 plus y square. Okay, only command will be given like this. So now see, here is y square, that means this is not a linear differential equation. This is not a linear differential equation. So can you write here the function of y here? See, this is the product of the function of x and function of y. If there is a product or division of the function of x into function of y, so it is a variable separable form. You can shift 1 by y square to this side. 1 by y. Okay, solution. Okay, solution. This is what y. So that means what this is? Dy by dx is equal to x. So 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equal to x dx. Okay, so we get a variable separable form. Just we have to integrate this. Okay, so integration of 1 upon y dy is equal to integration of dx. Okay, so now this is what? Then log of 1 plus y is equal to x square upon 2 plus c. Okay, so this is required general solution. Okay, write a full form here. Okay, required general solution of equation 1. So you have to give the equation 1 here. Equation 1. If you are saying that the solution of equation 1, so equation 1 should be somewhere. Okay. Okay, so we'll do next problem. Here the part is what? You have to identify it is a variable separable. This is the first crucial part. And second crucial part is what? You have to integrate that. Okay. Okay. Solve. Oh, this is 1 by y square. Okay. Okay. We made a mistake somewhere now. This is y prime is equal to x 1 plus y square. The previous problem was 1 plus y square, not y. Okay. So we'll correct that problem. Just erase this one. Just write this is 1 plus y. Okay. Now we'll solve this now. Okay. So what you have previous we did 1 upon 1 plus y. We forgot there y square. Okay. Now you correct the problem there. Don't write the y square now. Just write the y. Okay. Now we'll solve this. Again, this is the variable separable form. 1 plus y square dy by dx is equal to x now. 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equal to x dx. Okay, so 1 upon 1 plus y square integration, where this is variable separable form. See, this is a function of y into dy, function of x into x. We can integrate this. Okay, so 1 upon 1 plus y square dy integration of x dx. So this is what? Tan inverse of y. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So this is tan inverse y, x square by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is general solution of equation 1. Okay, now it is over. Only what? To identify whether it is a variable separable form, right? And just we have to make a separable form and just integrate this. This is the crucial part. Okay, solve. solve y prime is equal to minus x upon y of 1 is equal to 1. You can take any value, y of 1 is equal to 2, y of 2 is equal to 3. Okay, no problem for it. Okay, solution. Given that y prime is equal to minus x by y. Okay, we'll call this as 1. Y of 1 is equal to 1. This is 1. That means we have to, this is the initial value problem. Okay, you have to write plus c somewhere. Okay. So now what here? Y is equal to this. So this is not linear differential equation because y into y prime is there. Y into y prime. If y into y prime is there, it will not a linear differential equation. So now see, you can shift y here. So this is what dy by dx actually. Y prime is nothing but dy by dx minus x by y. Okay, we'll write y here and that x here. So y dy is equal to minus x dx. Okay, we get a variable separable form. Just integrate this. This is y dy is equal to minus x dx. So this is what y square by 2 is equal to minus x square by 2. We'll write c by 2. Don't write. Okay, we can write c by 2. So this is what then x square plus y square is equal to c. This is a general solution. But we don't want a general solution. We want a particular solution. Okay, you may write c by 2 because what? C is the arbitrary constant. Right? C is the arbitrary constant. C by 2 is also arbitrary constant. Okay, to avoid the fractional terms, so we'll write here c by 2. Doesn't matter this. Okay. Okay, so you may take this is c, then we'll get a twice c then. Okay, we'll get twice c. No problem for this one. Okay, so for put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 into we get. So what when 1 plus 1 is equal to c implies that c is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore the solution or particular solution of equation 1 is y is equal to y square plus x square is equal to c. C means what? 2. This is the particular solution. Okay. Next, solve y prime is equal to twice x plus 1 upon 5 y raised to 4 plus 1 y of 2 is equal to 1. Okay, solution. Given that this, okay, we'll call this as 1. So what? Y of 2 is equal to 1. Okay, or y of 2 is equal to 1. That means x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Okay, now this is dy by dx. Okay, you may write, given that this is the, instead of y prime we can write this is what? Dy by dx. We can see by observation you will see that this is the function of x and this is the function of y. That means this is the product of the function of x and function of y, or division of function of y upon function of x upon function of x. So this is the variable separable form. Y to the power 4 is there. That means this is not a linear differential equation. So if it is not linear differential equation, the other method is what? Variable separable form. Only these two forms are there. Okay. So this is what then 5y to the power 4 plus 1 dy is equal to twice x plus 1 dx. Okay. Just we'll integrate this. Don't write here. You have to go one more step for this. Now we'll integrate this. What? 5y to the power 5 upon 5 plus y. This is what? 2 into x square by 2 plus x. We'll add c anywhere now. There is no fraction, so therefore I will write c only. Okay. So this is what then? Y raised to 5 plus y x square plus x plus c. I will call this as 2 now. This is the general solution. You want a general? No. We want a particular solution. Y of 2 is equal to 1. Okay. So put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 into we get. Okay. So what here? 1 plus 1, this is 2. Okay. 4 plus 2 plus c. This implies that c is equal to minus 4. Your 2 get cancelled here, or this is 6. You have to shift 6 to this side. Okay. So therefore the particular solution of equation 1 is y raised to 5 plus y. Keep as it is, whatever this. So x square plus x minus 4. Okay. So this is your general particular solution. Keep as it is now this. So here what? You have to identify the separable equation, and this is the first crucial part. Second crucial part is what? You have to integrate that. So integration is the crucial part, and that is the problem of you. Okay, solve. Y prime is equal to twice x y square. So orally actually you can do this one. Orally you can solve. Okay, solution. Now see, this is what? Y square is there. That means this is not a linear differential equation. Y square is there, and this is again the product of x and y here. So if this is what? Twice x square y, it will be then linear differential equation. But it is also variable. Okay. So some some homogeneous linear differential equations are variable separable also. Okay. Okay. Solution. Given that dy by dx, I will write dy by dx, because what? I have identified this is the variable separable equation. So what is then? 1 by y square dy is equal to twice x dx. So this is what? Y raised to minus 2 dy, because this is the power y to the power n. Okay, we know the integration of y to the power n. So integration of twice x dx. Okay, so this is what then? Y raised to minus 1 upon minus 1. For integration you have to add 1. Okay, whatever the power, you have to divide that. Okay, so this is what? 2 into x square by 2. I will write plus c here. Then this is what? Minus 1 by y x square plus c. Okay, so you may write this equation as what? X square plus 1 by y plus c is equal to 0. You can shift 1 by y to this side. This is the general solution of, this is a general solution of equation 1. We will write equation 1 now. This. Okay, so solve dy by dx. Okay, directly given that solve by the dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 x into 1 minus y square. 1 minus y square. Okay, solution. Given that. Okay, we call this as 1 now directly. Okay, so now we can simplify. This is what? X into this. The product is there. That means what? It is a variable separable form. So we will write this as 1 upon 1 minus y square dy is equal to 1 half x. So I will write this as 1 y square minus 1 dy is equal to minus 1 half x dx. Okay, so dx. You have to write dx. Now I integrate this. So I will just write here what? Integration of 1 upon y square minus 1 dy minus 1 half integration of x dx. I can write this. Minus half I can take outside the integration, or you may keep inside that. Okay, but we have to write in bracket. What is this? This is what? Log of y minus 1 upon y plus 1. Log of y minus 1. This is equal to what? Minus 1 half x square upon 2. X square upon 2. I can write here plus c. So this is, I will keep this log of this. Y minus 1 upon y plus 1. This is what? Minus x square upon 4 plus c. Okay, this is your required general solution of, this is general solution of equation 1. Okay, we will write that equation 1. Okay, no problem. No need to simplify that. Okay. Okay, solve. Y prime is equal to 3x square plus x plus 1 upon y minus 2. Y minus 2. See, it is very simple. It is look like as a complicated. Okay, but see, numerator is function of x only, denominator is function of y only. Okay, solution. Given that, I can write this is what? Dy by dx. I can write this as, instead of y prime, I will write given that dy by dx is, because I have identified that it is a variable separable form. Okay, just we will shift y minus to this side. Dy is equal to 3x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, integrating, so we will integrate this. If it is variable separable form, just you have to integrate this, plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, so this is what, y square by 2 minus twice y is equal to, this is what, just x cube, because 3 into x cube upon 3 get cancelled, plus x square upon 2 plus x, add c somewhere. Okay, so don't do anything, this will be the general solution. Okay, so this is general. Okay, I will write short form, general solution of equation 1. Okay, I will write the equation 1 this. Okay, so very simple. Okay, solve sin x into sin y plus cos y prime is equal to 0. Okay, this is given. Okay, solution given that this. Okay, so we'll write this equation 1 now, no problem for this one. So cos y prime is there, that means this is not a linear differential equation. Okay, we'll shift to this side. This is what, then cos y dy by dx is equal to minus sin x sin y. Now we'll shift the sin y to this side, so this will what, then cot y. Sin y is shifted to this side, cot y dy is equal to minus sin x dx. Okay, integrating this, so cot y dy is equal to minus, I will keep minus sign outside the bracket, minus sin x. Okay, now what is this? Integration of cot. Cot is nothing but a cos upon sin. Derivative of the denominator is at the numerator. So this is what, log of sin of y is equal to cos x plus c, because integration of sin is minus cos. Integration of sin is minus cos. So minus minus become plus. So this is required general solution. Okay, just we write this is required general solution, no problem. Okay, solve y prime is equal to x square into 1 plus y square. Okay, now what, given that, I will write this solution given that this is what, dy by dx. Okay, so this is what, 1 plus y square dy is equal to x square dx. Okay, I call this as 1. Integrating this, 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equal to integration of x square dx. Okay, so this is what, tan inverse y, so x cube by 3 plus c. Okay, so now over, problem is over. Don't make this as a complicated now. So if you want to write this is what, y is equal to tan of this one, that will be the also general solution. Okay, so if you don't want that, you can keep this as it is. Okay, solve y prime is equal to minus twice x y cube minus y square minus 3y plus 2 y of 0 is equal to 3. Okay, solution given that we call this as 1 now. Okay, and y of 0 is equal to 3. Now see, this is what product, this is function of y. Okay, you may write this word given that dy by dx now. So 1 upon y square minus 3y plus 2 dy is equal to minus twice x dx. Okay, so we'll integrate this, integration. Okay, this is the quadratic and it is a factorized. You can factorize this. This is what, y minus 2 y minus 1 dy is equal to minus 2 integration of x dx. Okay, so how you can write this? You can write, see, this is what, 1 upon y minus 2 and 1 upon y minus 1 dy is equal to minus 2 into x square by 2. We'll write here plus c, no problem. Before one step also you can write it. Here we have to take the decision of the side. So what here 1 is there, okay. So what is this? This is y minus 1, okay. And you have to decide the sign here, y minus 2 here. So your value is what? 1. So what we will do, if you write here minus, if you write here y minus 1 minus y plus 2, that means if you write here minus, you will get the required. This is what this is it. This is y minus 1 minus 2. Y triangle also you can find, or with the help of the partial fraction you can do this one. Okay, so you can do here directly, or just keep this is what 1 upon y minus 2, y minus 1 is equal to a upon y minus 2 plus b upon y minus 2. Find the values of a and b. Okay, we did that. Okay, in the derivative. Okay, so now we'll integrate this. This is what log of y minus 2 minus log of y minus 1 is equal to minus x square plus c. So this is what log of y minus 2 upon y minus 1 is equal to minus this. Okay, if you don't want log, so you can shift this is what e raised to, and you can do this one. Okay, so this is also general solution. Okay, so what you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, we get, we'll call this as 2. This is the general solution. We want a particular solution. So x is equal to 0 means this is c is equal to. So this is what, if you put y is equal to 3, so 3 minus 1, so this is what log of, this is 1 upon 2, log of 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 0. That means this is equal to c. This is equal to c. Okay, so the solution of, or the particular solution of equation 1 is, what is that then? Log of y minus 2 upon y minus 1 is equal to minus x square plus log of half, or this is what minus log 2. You may write this is what minus log 2. I hope that this is enough now. This is enough. Okay, so this will be the answer. If you want to simplify this log, you can do this, but don't do, because the question is what only solve. Okay, solve y prime plus y is equal to twice x e raised to minus x upon 1 plus y e raised to x. Oh, here y is there. Okay, okay, note that here y is there, okay. So what, whether they have taken the care of that. Okay, so we'll do this. Okay, solve. This is not a variable separable form. This is not a variable separable form. Okay, comparing this equation with, okay, we'll do this. Okay, the complementary equation of equation 1 is y prime plus y is equal to 0. Homogeneous is the linear. Okay, so this is, we'll call this as 2. Okay, we'll solve this by method of variation of parameter now. we'll solve this by method of variation of parameter. Okay, comparing this equation with y prime plus p of x times y is equal to 0. Okay, so p of x is equal to 1. Okay, so phi of x is equal to integration of p of x dx is equal to x. Okay, so y1 of x is equal to e raised to minus phi of x. So e raised to minus x is a solution of equation 2. Okay, so let solution of equation 2 be y is equal to u into y1, that is u into e raised to minus x. We'll convert this in terms of u now. Okay, so we'll put here y is equal to this. We'll convert in terms of u and x now. Okay, so what is your y prime then? Y prime is equal to u e raised to minus x. So minus, okay, so plus e raised to minus x u prime. This is u prime. Okay, so 1 implies now. 1 implies. We put in 1. Your y prime is what? So minus u e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x u prime plus y. Okay, so plus y is there. Plus y. What is your y? Y is u e raised to minus x. Your y is what? Okay. So twice x e raised to minus x upon 1 plus. What is your y? Y is u e raised to minus x into e raised to x now. Okay, so now see, this is u e raised to minus x get cancelled. So this is what? E raised to minus x u prime is equal to, what is this? This is twice x e raised to minus x upon 1 plus u. 1 plus u. Okay, so now this e raised to minus x get cancelled. So this is u means what? Du by dx e is equal to twice x upon 1 plus u. Twice x upon 1 plus u. I can shift 1 plus u this side. 1 plus u du is equal to twice x dx. Okay, so integrating we get what? This is 1, this is u square by 2 is equal to x square. I will write this plus c now here. Now I will replace u now. What is your u? U is what? Y e raised to x. Okay, so y e raised to x plus 1 half y square e raised to twice x square plus c. We get a general solution. Okay, so this is the general solution of equation 1. This is general solution of equation 1. Okay, so probably or this is the required general solution. Just safely required general solution. If the number is not given, then problem arise. So this is the general solution. This is the required general solution. So I hope that you understand this. Okay, so you can solve the exercise so that your idea of the integration will be clear to you. Okay, so we stop here. Thank you.